evening, Kmart Lawn System, Amy speaking.
Hi Amy, my name's bloody Flub. What's going on?
Nothing much. Yourself?
Not much at all, I'm just upping in for May here and me and my daughter, we want to have a nerf fight, right?
Yep.
I'm just thinking, if I send my daughter down with the correct amount of change, we might have a good old nerf fight, so couldn't you tell me the correct change on a nerf gun, please?
I'll pop you through.
Thanks, bro. Hello?
Hello, Marlon speaking.
Hi, I was just talking to Amy and she said she'd put me through to you to get the good old price on a nerf gun.
Yeah, just a second. Won't be a moment.
No worries.
Okay, what kind of nerf gun is it?
Oh, just a good old fucking one that shoots shit.
Okay, so they range from $10.
Yeah, okay, I'll send my daughter down with $10, right? Now, when she gets there, actually, I'll send her with 15. When she gets there, can you have the $10 nerf gun sitting on the counter with a can of Coke and a 12-bar? And
No, she'll have to come in and get those herself.
Okay, no, that's no worries, I'll get her to do that.
Yep.
Now, I'm going to send it down with half a bottle of sniff, right? Now, can you make sure when she gets there that she's still got a quarter of a bottle of sniff for her travels home?
A quarter bottle of what?
Sniff spray, the good old unleaded petrol.
No, that's up to your daughter to do that.
Oh, that's no worries, right? So if I send her down with about $15, can that get me a bottle of Coke, a 12-bar, and a $10 Nerf gun?
It'll get you a $10 nerf gun, and no, probably won't get you the rest of the stuff.
Well, how much a bottle of Coke then?
Oh, we don't sell, little bottles of Coke?
Yeah, just a cold one out of the refrigerator.
They're about $3 something. Just a minute, I'll go and have a look for you.
Thanks, babe.
That's $3.50.
Alright, well, I'll send it down with about $16, and that should get her all me shit, eh?
Okay, yep, no problem.
Alright, thanks, love. Bye.
Bye.